recipe we're going to prepare today is the dates and coconut energy balls. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 cup of dates. The best dates to make the recipe are the Medjoul dates because they are very soft and moist inside. Then a half cup of coconut flakes, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 cup of almonds, a pinch of cardamom, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a pinch of vanilla extract. First, we are gonna pit the dates and leave them aside because we are gonna use them later. Then we are gonna add the almonds to a food processor or a blender and we are gonna grind them for a few seconds. We want our energy balls to be crunchy, so the almonds must have a very rough texture. Then we are gonna add the dates, the coconut flakes, the chia seeds, the cardamom, a pinch of vanilla extract, and the coconut oil. Then we are going to blend these ingredients all together for 2 minutes until the dough will be sticky. Then we are going to start preparing our energy balls. Take some dough between your palms and roll it until you will form a ball and coat the energy ball with some coconut flakes. Repeat this process until the dough is completely finished. The dough will be enough for 15 to 16 energy balls, and enjoy it.